Hello, I am the tutorial bot from VirtualTech, and I will demonstrate how to use the Azon Affiliate Toolkit. Everything you do in the Azon Affiliate Toolkit is related to and saved in your project. To begin, create a new project by entering your project's name and clicking the Create button. The software interface has several buttons on top and a few tabs below. Here, each tab represents a step in your project. We will cover those tabs in subsequent videos. When you run the software for the first time, you need to set up some basic options. To do this, click on the Options button. Fill in your Amazon affiliate or tracking ID and check the box below it. If you do so, the application will automatically generate your affiliate links for any products you shortlist. Each proxy on your list is tested against the proxy test URL. If you are going to change it, make sure it is a website that loads up quickly. The max concurrent connections per proxy option determines how many parallel web requests the application can make for each proxy in your list. This depends on your proxy provider, and usually they provide information on how many parallel connections are allowed. If you use low-quality or public proxies, then you should not be setting this number to more than one. Ideally, you should never use public proxies anyway. The Use Proxies option is the recommended and default setting. If you do not want your local IP blocked by Google or other websites, then you should have this checked. The Google Alert Sound option enables the alert sound when Google detects one of your proxies for abuse. To prove that the proxy is not a bot, Google will display a captcha which will be shown to you in a pop-up window. And when you enter the captcha, if all goes well, the application should proceed normally. The last option, if checked, will download all product images from the Amazon product page every time you export your project into Word, PDF, Excel, or HTML reports. When you are done setting the options, click the Save button. This closes the options window. But we still need to add proxies. So, click on the Options button again and switch to the Proxies tab. As you can see, I have already added 5 HTTP proxies. This list will be empty the first time you visit this screen. To add new proxies, click on the Add Proxies button. You can add one or more proxies by typing each proxy's definition on a new line in the format shown. Let me enter a dummy proxy to show you how it works. Once you enter the proxy definitions, click the Save button. The proxy I just added is now in the proxy list. By default, all newly added proxies will be set to offline. So you need to check if they are online, either by clicking the Check Proxies button that will test all proxies, or by right-clicking and selecting the Check Proxy option, which will test only the selected proxies. My dummy proxy has obviously failed the test. To remove dead proxies, just click the Remove Dead button. Another important point is, when adding proxies, you have to select the protocol of the proxies you are adding. So if you select HTTP as the protocol, you can only add HTTP proxy definitions in the box. Once you have defined your proxies, you have completed the basic setup necessary to begin your project research. You can now proceed to Tab 1,